Alright, so today we will go through a calorimetry lab. Calorimetry is basically finding the heat of something that's burning. So with us, for this lab, we will use a marshmallow. So we'll probably take cork or something like that, put maybe like a paper clip in it, and put a marshmallow on the other end. I think that's how you spell marshmallow. And then we'll have something to burn it with, say a Bunsen burner. And to measure the heat, you can take an aluminum can with a specific mass of water in it. Yeah. And then to insulate all this heat, take something like aluminum foil. If we don't have something like aluminum foil, then some of the heat will escape to the environment, and then we won't have accurate data. So, let's say we have 5 grams of marshmallow. I think that's how you spell marshmallow. Let's say we have 100 grams of water in the can. So, we go through the reaction. We find out that the remaining mass of marshmallow is 2 grams. So that means that 3 grams of marshmallow burned in the reaction. Oh yes, and I forgot. So we need a thermometer in the aluminum can, and we will measure the change in temperature from the beginning to the end. So let's say that the can changed 10 degrees. Yeah, okay. Now, we will use this data and put it into the equation Q equals MCAT. And with this equation, we'll put the mass of the water in for M. For C, we will put the standard heat of water, which is 4.18, in for C. And for delta T, we'll put that 10 degrees in. So then our equation ends up looking like this. Put this in the calculator, okay. And we end up having 4,080 joules. Divide this by 1,000. To get 4.18 kilojoules. Now, we will then divide the amount of kilojoules by the number of grams burned in the reaction. And that will give us 1.393 kilojoules per gram. And I believe that's about it. Just make sure all your work is accurate, and should be alright. Well, that's about it.